Everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny done Crazy Marcus series season 2 episode 3 of Adventures in Cooking with Crazy Marcus. So in season 1 we had the Benny done Crazy Marcus burger. This is season 2 and we're having the Benny done Crazy Marcus hot dog.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Guys, so let's check and have a look at what ingredients are going to be needed to make the Benny done Crazy Marcus hot dog. So we've got some freshly sliced onions there, guys. Some Thai sweet chili sauce. Some frankfurters. You can use hot dogs as well if you like. And of course, some hot dog finger rolls, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so we're going to get everything prepared and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're having the hot dogs with veggies. I'll put them in first because they normally take a while to cook. Hopefully I can open the bag. That will do. Being as it's only me and Sue having veggies, so just do a couple. And I don't want to come out the bag. Typical. Jesus. Right. Tag 2. That should be enough, I think. Just going to try to bake them up a bit so we can cook them. Think that'll be enough. Okay, so I'm going to shove them in the cooker. Watch, I don't get blasted by heat. Okay, so that's the veggies in. I'm next going to cook the hot dogs and brown off the onions. Okay guys, so just browning off the onions now. into saucepan to go. Gonna put the gas on. Yeah, that's on. But there on, I'm gonna put the hot dogs on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll get a knife maybe to put the hot dogs in with. I've also got to try keep an eye on the onions. That ain't working. Oh God. Okay, gonna put the hot dogs in. Hopefully that fit. Why does everything go better on paper? Oh God's sake. I'm gonna end up smashing the jar in a minute. Okay, so finally we managed to get the frankfurters at the jar. Gonna move them on to the second ring and hopefully I'm turning on the right one here. Yeah, I think that's it. Then I'm just gonna keep stirring the onions like, making sure that they don't burn or stick to the pan. Then I'll see you when everything's cooked, guys. Okay, so everything's all cooked now. Time to start preparation. So we're gonna get the pack of finger buns open. I'll say. There we are, opened. Okay, now I'm going to try cut a sort of hot dog sized hole down the middle of each one. Okay, so that should be big enough to fit a hot dog. Frankfurter, I mean. Then we're going to come over, get a frankfurter out the pot and place it into the bun, or attempt to place it into the bun without burning myself. And the buns fell apart. Maybe they were a bit too big for them, but still, okay. Got a couple onions. I'm going to just scrape an onion off the spatula, put that back in sink. Use this spatula. Just a few minutes. And just sprinkle them into the hot dogs. Okay. Get a couple of wedges as well. I only managed to get 3. Typical. Okay. So that's a ready one. Move that across, move that to back. Okay, so far from doing this, I have found out that the hot dogs are a damn sight bigger than the buns, which isn't very helpful, but hey ho. Not a frankfurter. Got is falling off. And just like hot. Slide it into the bun like so. Or attempt to anyway. I imagine you lot will probably have a lot easier job than what I'm doing. Couple of onions. Some veggies. Then, of course, I forgot to add the special sauce. Just a drizzle on top, and a drizzle on top and that one, and hot dog and wedges. Okay, so they will plate it up. Yeah, that didn't really go to plan. I think the rolls were maybe a bit too small, but they look nice. Can't wait to try them. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, they're finally ready. There you are, Mum. I made Crazy Marcus Hotdogs. I'll let Mum be the first one to test them.
Good sized hot dog. Onions, get a bit of sauce on. Very nice.
Thank you, Mum. Okay, I'm going to test one. As I said earlier, they're not really ones you can pick up, but they still look nice. Nice cooked hot dog and a freshly cooked onion. Very delicious, guys. Hot dogs cooked to perfection. Onions add a nice crispy taste to it, and the Thai sweet chili sauce gives it a bit of a nice punch. For me, I'd say maybe a 7 out of 10. Probably could have done with some bigger finger rolls for them, maybe. What would you say, Mum?
I'll say an 8, they're nice. Like you say, yeah, maybe some bigger finger rolls, but maybe a baguette, something, or like the baguette sort of rolls maybe would have been better.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.